Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. Till our previous video, we have done almost everything. To make model, uh, assigning every load, and almost we have completed every parts of our model. Now, from this tutorial, we'll go for analysis and design and for different kinds of check. So let's start. And if you're new here, you can watch my previous video. At first, I'll open our previous Etabs model. So here is our Etabs model. So if you're new here, you have to watch our previous lecture. And in this video, I'll go for analysis here, and before that, we'll go here for load combination. And if we go here, they have no load combination. We will just add here load combination manually. Concrete frame design. For concrete frame design, click here and click here editable and then press OK. So here our 26 code have been added for concrete frame design. And in this video and for some next video, we'll just design an analysis for beam and column. That's why we have just only consider frame. After that, here we'll go for concrete slab design, and again we'll go for concrete shear design. And so I will edit later. Just press OK. After that, we'll go here, analysis, check model, select wall, OK. The model are checking, and after check, we'll go for there have no warning. If you're new in this tutorial, you can watch my previous video to understand everything about this model. And also they have many lecture about Etabs. So set load case to run. So here we'll run for every load. For every load, we'll run our model. So press OK and go here, run. So our building are analyzing, and after analyzing, we'll go for different types of correction. And if you are following my previous lecture, then you know that we are also doing our full course for auto selection by using auto selection option, so that when we'll go for analysis, it will take suitable shape for that building. And after that, if also it's being failed, then we'll also increase its shape so that we can pass our failure. The here it's analyzing again and again. I am telling you that you have to watch my previous video to understand from basic to advanced level. Almost there have 40 video or 45 video about Etabs. So from basic to advanced level, I try to cover what I know. So it's done, our analysis is done. Here we're saying that our analysis is done. After that, I will go here, I'll close that. That's not necessary right now. And here is our model. So here is our model. Now we'll go here for design specification, where as we have run here, as we have run our model, then we'll go for design specification. So for design specification, we have to go here, view or device preferences, So from here we will select ACI 31814. So there are many code, and you can use according to your country, but I will use ACI 31814 code, and here let it default, then OK. After that have to go reverse selection rule for column and beam. So from here you have to go here so that you can select the minimum and maximum reverse size. Here is the longitudinal bar, I mean this is the main reinforcement bar. Smallest bar will be 4 and longest bar will be 9, and for seismic detailing it will be 5 and it will be 9 or 10. Okay, and for tie bar it will be 3 and maximum 4, it will be 3 and maximum 4. And here minimum spacing 15.8. okay, 15.8. okay, and maximum that is okay, let it default. So press OK. After that we'll go for beam, and from here also we have to select beam properties. You have to change from here according to your requirement. So I am going to let it default. Okay, after that we'll go here, select design combination. You are seeing that the all combination are here already selected, but sometime you will find it and that side, then you have to select that and press here, then press OK. After that we have to again click here and have to go here, start design check. We have to click here for design check, start design check. So press here, you can press here or directly you can press here. So click here and we are seeing that our model are checking for design, and after design it will show us that our building is okay or not, I mean our frame is okay or not for that building. If our frame are not okay, then it will suggest us for auto run option so that it can change that shape again. As we have used auto run selection option, in almost every video I have told you that I can done any mistake, as after all I am a human. That's why you have to learn that and you have to practice that more and more to understand everything about Etabs. Now it's analyzing for column. It's showing us unable to calculate interaction diagram for section. When you will find that, then we have to calculate OK here. For some time we have to press here OK. Here it's analyzing, and after analyzing we'll go for design check. it's taking huge time because I'm screening my PC, that's why it's taking time. Here after analysis it's showing that analysis and design section differ for 315 concrete frame. Do you want to reiterate analysis and design? Here it's telling us that as we have selected auto selection option, so it will select suitable size and shape for our building. That's why it's telling us to reanalysis. So press yes. So after that it will again analysis our building, and then we'll again design our building. I've told you that if we there is the main benefit that when we will use auto selection option, when we'll define types of section properties for column, for beam, then it will select different shape for it, and it will select the suitable shape for our building, and after that it will show us the exact requirement for our building, so that we can change our frame. Now it's again running design check, and after design check we'll again see that how much difference between analysis and design frame. This is a good procedure to find out your proper design section, and otherwise when you will analysis for your exact, for some fixed frame, then it will be unable, or you will also be unable to know about the exact requirement for our building. Suppose that need a small size of frame, but you are assigning you are defining a bigger size of frame, then it will be more uneconomical. That's why it's a good procedure to analyze like that way. And it's analyzing. We have to wait. It's almost done. Now again it's showing us analysis and design section differ for 40 concrete frame. Do you want to reiterate analysis and design? So again we'll go for last time, so that it can reduce is a different number, and after that we'll go for manual change. So press yes. Again it will analysis and go for design check. We have to wait till that time. And again I'm telling you that you are new here. If you are new here, then you have to watch my previous video to understand about that procedure. It's a lengthy process, but I think that is a good process to find out the economical section for our building. And this is the last design check. After that we'll go for manual design check. So it's again started to design check. So I'm going to skip that, and after that design check again I'll come back and I'll show you that how we'll do our next task. So stay with me till that time. Finally we're in ending. So it's showing that analysis and design section differ for 14 concrete frame. Do you want to retreat analysis and design? So no, press no. Analysis design, here select that analysis and design section differ for 14 frame. We have to select them, no. Okay, finally here we have found our model. This is our desert model. Now I'll go here, as we'll do for beam and column. Then we'll hide our frame and wall, apply, sorry, here. So here our model are almost ready, and if we go here, verify wall member passed. Now if we go here, it's showing that 46 concrete frames failed the design check. Do you want to select them? So select them and hide show selected object only. So if we go here, we are seeing that if we go in here, we are seeing that almost wall or column have passed, but that beam are failed. Here that beam are failed for design check. The beam which are associated with shear, the all have been failed. Yeah, overstress, it's showing overstress for combo 22. So we'll go again 3D mode, and here we have to show you that how we'll go at least minimum failure option by using auto selection mode. And in next video I will check for beam, column, and then I'll check for beam, and then we'll go for final design. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.